took a little trip today to come down here for my sister-in-law. They're looking at an apartment to move closer to town, so they'll have a place to rent near her husband's work. Of course, he works in a bank. So it's lunchtime, and we stopped at some place we've never been to, and I'm not sure what the name of this is. Pep Curl, I think it's called. I'll double check that. But we're taking a walk around here to see what's going on. So let's look around.
Hi, good morning. How's your day?
Good, yours? You got some nice places over here. It looks like you can go into. Hon, I got big benches in there.
Yeah. Maybe there's a rent on that daddy.
You want to go see?
But ask go.
Yeah. Ask her.
Ano yung rent diha mga cottages? Wala ma'am. Wala na yung rent. No rent, honey.
Oh, okay. No, no, no.
Naka-suan man yung dito. Order.
Okay.
Thank you. Next time. Kanindot. First time na ako din eh.
That's pretty. You got these little cottages, little entries. I think it's really cute. Look at little adorable cottage going in. They have a little above the water there. Some nice places to sit, looks like. There's some more cottages over here. For some reason, they're not renting them out. They're not renting them out. Right here by the water. Some kind of a raft right here. Kind of a raft. I'm not sure what the raft is for. Fishing, maybe. Got some big boats, big ships out here. Now the place we looked at for sister-in-law to rent, that was it was a very small one-bedroom little bungalow, if you want to call it. And I didn't video it because the people who are still living in it haven't moved out yet, and they would feel uncomfortable, so I didn't want to push the issue. But it's a one-bedroom gated little community, and it's only 350 pesos, which is very or 3,500, I mean. So a little over about $70 a month, which here in the Philippines is really cheap. That's cheap in America, but here in the Philippines it's not bad. But so I'm not sure she's going to take it, but if she does, we'll be helping in a move, of course, whatever we can do. So they got a little park area here. Little park area here for the kids to run loose and they can play. It's pretty good size. Got bench seats up here. Okay, so we're at the Carmen Curl, that's kind of the Carmen Plaza right there. Carmen Plaza. So you got little stores here, little sorry stores. It's like a little bar here. Yeah, a little bar. Carmen Plaza, that's where we're at. So it's got a bunch of little different stores. Very colorful. Nice. Very, very colorful. Bike storage. Ah.
Hi.
Hello.
Wala. You like here? I like your one.
Like this?
Yeah, nice cake if we bring the bike of Liam or his car.
His car would be okay over there.
There, oh.
Yeah. I wouldn't let him ride here on the cement.
Like, and when we
Over
go,
there.
when we visit to Edigo, we can bring his car here and his bike. Oh.
Yeah.
Ari ay tuyok siya.
Are you guys gonna take the apartment?
Yeah, I like the area ko yeah.
Yeah, but did you see the inside? Did you get to see the inside?
It's okay. The tiles is good. There's a 2 rooms. Kaya
Oh,
siya kaya
There's 2 bedrooms or 1 bedroom?
2.
Oh, okay.
Only the teacher said that the difference in the other house, in the other door is their house no paint.
Oh,
But we
okay.
can use the
Wall?
one we use in the wallpaper.
Yeah, the wallpaper. Yeah, that looks nice. So where are we sitting at? Oh, okay.
We're at horse pa.
Huh?
Once in a blue moon ra maka-go out.
Yeah, Liam loves to run.
Yeah.
There they go, all of them. There's 4 of them. We're missing 1.
Where's the other one? Oh, here. Run na.
There she is.
So go for run. No.
There goes all cousins. 5 first cousins.
Hello.
The new
Ay,
brat.
naidog. There's a dog, ha? Ay,
Par-
Maring. Si Maring. Si Maring ganay dog.
The brat pack.
Yeah. Alala.
She's gonna chase the dog.
Yeah. No, ang good sa bata.
If it was hot here,
Yeah, it's not good.
I think it'd be. But it's got a lot of shade. So
Yeah, it's nice or windy.
so you like this place here?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oy, watch mo sa dog. Punduhin nga dugang aron nga mo doon ang dog.
I am gonna go sit down.
Yeah, sit down there na.
I like the way they made these tables. Really cool. Wire spindles, and they put legs on them. It's a good idea for a table. My father did this once or twice. She brought some of her famous spaghetti.
Dali na eat na.
Got some spaghetti. You also have some other stuff on the way, don't you?
Yeah, pork barbecue. Pork chicken.
Yeah. How much was the pork and chicken here?
The pork one stick is 15.
It's not too
Ang
bad.
ilang intestine kay 12.
Are you all sweaty? You're all
Please-
sweaty.
Please go sa towel. No ha, kay ma-cool down ka.
I'm not sure. What's on? Okay.
Sige na, sit down na.
Mm.
Ikaw na naiyati, gamay rin natin. Sit down na kay mga una.
Sit down, hon. Sit down. Okay, fine. Mama's gonna sit down too, but you gotta sit down.
Next time, if you will not listen ni Mama and Daddy, Mommy
Okay.
will not bring you again, ha? Ate, dance, ate. Maring, dance. Bing, bing, bing. Dance na yun. Jing, di dance na, Jing.
Maring dance. Dance. Wala naman ang iyang ang bitlog niya
Shorter chicken, but I think the spaghetti pretty much should have been just enough. That was some good spaghetti. She makes Italian spaghetti and she mixes it with Filipino sauce. So it's like the sweet and tomatoey saucy flavor. It's really good. It's not too sweet. The Filipino style is just too sweet for me.
Wala.
Ah,
Dapat ko na ang baby mo eat. Jing, hawani sa Jing, be.
Hotdog ito.
May hotdog ano, hotdog.
Oh, we got some chicken, hot dogs.
Ang kalamansi.
Ito si Kuya. Ma-hungry ka Kuya no? La.
Kuya.
Sasawa ni mo tiyo. Thank you.
Sibo ka ito gamay ka.
We got some intestine there too.
Yeah. Agoy no ang
So
sige.
you got
Pwede kong pulitan.
intestine right there. Chicken on the end. Is that? You also look like you got liver there.
Yeah.
You got liver,
Hindi akong tigyan din masama.
intestine, hot dog,
Pulitan din.
and a giant piece of chicken for me. It's a big piece of chicken, hon.
Kae.
It's locked. No, wait. It's locked. Okay. We will knock knock. Say knock knock. Knock knock. Laliya maka.
So you can put stuff here or there.
Come with me. Yeah, you like? What color do you like? Communicate lang sila.
Where will you park? Where will you be able to park at? Oh, okay.
I don't know if the wheels can look up.
It'd be real close, yeah. That'd be real tall. Okay, so what did you think about our little trip today, going with your sister to look at a home?
Yeah.
They're moving from Bogo all the way down here, close to us. About Medellin, which is about what, 45 minutes from us? From here? From here to our house, what do you think? About
From
40?
here, mga 45. No, this is Carmen.
I know, I'm talking about from here to our house.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
Yeah,
without.
Yeah, with good traffic, about 45 minutes, which is still better than 3 hours.
Yeah.
And so she can come visit her more often and get us out of the house because now we have a place to go that's close by.
Yeah, and then also close in the park and the beaches.
Yeah, so what do you think about this little park here?
I like here because in our place, no like this, no park, remember?
Yeah, we don't have anything like this. Places the kids can drive his car, he can play in the grass over there.
Yeah, and drive his bike.
It's a lot more space to play here and run.
Yeah.
He really enjoyed himself. He ran everywhere today. I think he'll be asleep before we get home.
Yeah, he so look tired.
He's very tired. But our house is coming along good. We're gonna probably be going up there in a couple of days to get better drone footage. As you can tell, the last video we made about our house, the drone footage was just horrendous. There was an issue of my editing skills, so that hopefully we got it worked out, and I'll make another update video in a day, maybe two.
Yeah.
And we'll check it out. But until then, we're gonna go ahead and cut this now and go home because Liam looks like he needs a nap.
Yeah, he looks so tired because he wants to swim.
Yeah, so we did buy some food here, and about 300 and what?
315.
315 pesos, a little over $7 for some barbecue for the whole family. 5
Yeah.
kids and 5.
4 adults.
4 adults?
1,
5.
2. 5 adults. 5 kids and 5 adults.
So 10 people. We bought enough grilled food for everybody, and it wasn't even $7. So
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. We did have one little issue when we first left the house. A kid came over the hill just going way too fast on a
Very
motorbike.
close.
I was able to stop, back up as quickly as possible, but he still slammed on his brakes and slid into the front of the van and ricocheted off the van, and he just took off. Now I care about the van. Don't get me wrong, but I was more worried about the kid. He was what, 16, 17, if that?
I don't know because
He
he's so still young and thin.
He's very young, very thin. But he bounced off the car doing about, I don't know, maybe 10 miles an hour, and which doesn't seem fast, but when it's pretty fast on a motorbike.
Yeah, I shout.
So she screamed. I was just worried about the kid, make sure he was okay, but he bounced off. He kind of slowed down, looked behind him, and then he sped off. He just didn't stop. His health is first to me. To me, I worry about him more than I do the van. The van can be fixed, that's no issue. So the kid seemed like he was okay, he took off. Now for the van, we just put the bumpers on the front and the back. And I'll tell you what, it was worth every single peso that we did.
No bumper off.
No bumper, he would have trashed the front of our van.
Yeah.
But he ricocheted right off that, and there's not a scratch one on the van. Even the bumper didn't bend or anything, so we're very lucky. I'm glad he's okay. He seemed like he was okay when he drove off. But that was our excitement for this morning coming up here. But it's all over now. We're gonna head home, get Liam laid down for a nap, and continue on with this day. So I'm gonna shut this off now, and I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
And we'll see you on our next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye. Keep
Bye-bye.
on subscribing.
Yes, please subscribe. Bye-bye.